not least, from Frankfurt, Germany, we have Uthority. Before I introduce our project, I would like to talk about myself. My name is Mariana, and as many in the globalized world, I have been traveling. And I've been working in 3 different jurisdictions. And I have 3 existential fears. One is my immigration status, the second one is my employment status, and the last one is my retirement. So in Germany, for example, I had to deal with 3 different authorities on all of those issues. And in Germany, all the communication with authorities is in paper. So the letters kept just coming. And just to take one case, my retirement, 30 years old in retirement, strange. But it took me multiple steps, 6 months to solve my problem because of the misunderstandings between the parties. And I had to call them and write them. And I wrote all those 7 letters. And I am not alone. There are more than 380 million letters issued per year in Germany alone. And just lost time with paperwork is the smallest problem. To pick up the few, 76% of all unemployment benefits are not paid because of missed deadlines, which amounts to 175 million of benefits never be paid. And per person, it's not too little. It's 1,300 euros. To solve this problem, we identify a solution where we bring with 4 steps a user closer to solving its legal problem. And Christian will show the demo.
Yeah, so what you need to do in this is Uthority. All you need to do is take a picture of a letter you received by the authority. Don't be afraid of data privacy. Just anonymize your data. All you have to do is click on anonymizing data. And so once you're finished, you're processing your data with different techniques like OCR, rule-based, entity recognition, and some more will come in the future. We then present you an automatically generated summary of the letter in plain language. This includes all important data as well as the legal context and all issues. The abstracts are automatically translated into English. Via my options at the bottom, you can get to the next page where you can find options to take regarding this letter. The governmental tells you again what you have to do into object and until when you need to do so. In the knowledge base, you can find background information regarding the letter. In the tab Legal Experts, you can directly see legal advice from specialized lawyers or legal aid offices. Here, in Access to Authority, you'll find contact information extracted directly from the letter. The reminders let you easily add a reminder for special dates to your personal data. And at the end, there's our response composer prepared. Templates help you to make a formal objection to the letter from the authority. In the future, you may also directly send the answer to the authority. So, what is our business model?
To enable the free access to justice and the basic functionality of our app for everyone, our business model is based on 3 pillars. Pillar number 1 is B2C, our premium features for convenience users, where we'll charge either a subscription fee or pay-per-use fee depending on the number of letters. The second pillar of our business model is B2B leads, like leads to be bought by lawyers or law firms, and also with 2 payment plans. And the last option is our software as a service solution, because this technology is also usable for other use cases like claims processing and contract analytics. And this is the whole thing. We have run some numbers, and for all of these cases, the market size amounts to $15 billion. So what is the status quo? We have all the relevant expertise. We have done proof of concept through extensive market research and competitive analysis. We are bundling the features as opposed to all other companies. We have done an online survey and introduced the desired features like response composer in our app as a functionality. And we also did multiple expert interviews. We have partners, potential partners, and we're starting soon. So the goal is to have the top 10 letters launched by end of 2020. And we also have enterprise solution to be launched in 2020. And we are presenting next week already for contract analysis a conference in Madrid to clarify this use case. We have staged out our development milestones and going forward. Our business plan is based on the goal to be profitable by 2020 and to have the break-even point by the middle of 2022. So the distribution strategy is social media, organic growth through followers, referrals, partnerships with authorities themselves and other legal tech companies. So please help this wonderful team to stop the legal aids by empowering users through understanding.